traders. Welcome to today's video on the XO indicator for MT4. This tool brings point and figure style logic into MetaTrader 4, representing price movements as columns of X and O's, so you can see trends and reversals with much of the time-based noise removed. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Now the XO indicator plots rising price as column of X, which is the blue line, and falling price as columns of O, which is the other color, which is the purple maroon, based on a chosen box size that defines the minimum price change required to add a new symbol. A column continues in the same direction while price keeps moving by at least one box, and a reversal into a new column occurs only when price moves a specified multiple of the box size in the opposite direction. Long uninterrupted columns of X or O's visually highlight strong trends, as you can see here, while short, frequently alternating columns highlight more choppy or indecisive conditions. If you go over to its settings and inputs, you find the color for the up, which is the X, as warrior blue, the color for the down or bearish or O as you might call it, crimson, and the border color black. We have the size of the box and the number of bars to be looked at in its calculation period. Now, who is it for and its limitations? The XO indicator is suited to traders who prefer price only noise filter view of structure and who focus on trend following breakouts and key support and resistance levels. It ignores the time axis, requires careful tuning of box and reversal sizes for each market, and can still produce whipsaws in sideways market if parameters are not matched to volatility. So it works best alongside traditional charts and solid risk management. You can find the download link in the description below. You can also read the full XO indicator MT4 article, including the point and figure concepts, usage ideas, advantages, and limitations at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.